Welcome back friends. So in this part, that is part 4 of the video series regarding the structure of adrenal cortex, I am going to speak about zona reticularis and also about the adrenal medulla. The innermost cortical layer, that is the zona reticularis, lies directly adjacent to the medulla. It produces precursors of testosterone. It has small cells which form irregular cords and clusters. Now you can see the central adrenal medullary vein in the adrenal medulla. The catecholamines, that is adrenaline and noradrenaline, are released by the adrenal medulla. The adrenal glands are responsible for most of the adrenaline that circulates in the body, but only for a small amount of circulating noradrenaline. These hormones are responsible for fight or flight response, characterized by a quickening of breathing and heart rate, an increase in blood pressure, and constriction of blood vessel in many parts of the body. At last, you can see the blood supply of adrenal, which supply a network of small arteries within the capsule of the adrenal glands. In the last part, you will see the overall view of the adrenal gland.